Hello, my name is Mr. Bryson. I'm with Susquehanna Valley High School here in Conklin, New York, and this is the test correction. Show your calculations and remember your units. If there are 12 pencils per box and Mr. Bryce has 15 boxes full and one box half full, so that is 15x plus a half of an x, then how many pencils does he have? Equals question mark when x equals 12 pencils per box. I made this a little bit too big, so I'm going to shrink it. Now, everywhere I see an x, I just put a 12. 15 times 12 plus half of 12 equals 186 pencils. And that's the correction for number 1. Joe walks at a constant rate of 4.5 feet per second on his way to math class from Mr. Cleary's room. Mr. Cleary's room is 450 feet away. So we know that this distance has to be 450 feet. And it's going to be 4.5 feet per second. So distance equals rate times time. I told you needed to memorize that formula. Now here, time is 20. So distance, the number that goes right there, equals 20 times 4.5, or 4.5 times 20, which is 90. And then here, in the second line, it is 40 times 4.5, which is 180 feet. And then at 60, it is 60 times 4.5, which is 270 feet. I didn't get up to 450 feet yet, so I do 80 times 4.5, and I get 360. And the last one is 100 times 4.5 equals 450. Now, what if I didn't get full credit? Well, you didn't get full credit because you did not answer the question. If you circle it, then you get full credit. Create an equation. There it is. Distance equals rate times time. The distance is 450 feet. The rate is 4.5 feet per second. And then time is what we want to know. We divide both sides by 4.5. And we're left with seconds. So it's 100 seconds equals the time. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always hit pause. Here's a diagram. It's showing you this is 2 times 5. You notice that there are 2, and it goes down 5. Using the commutative property, draw 5 times 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 5 times 2. Next page. These are fluency questions. Evaluate means give me a numerical answer. Show each step. Order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, there are none. Exponents, there are none. DAS, division and multiplication. Parentheses, there are none. Exponents, there are none. Multiplication and division from left to right. So you have to do 1/4 times 24. 6 minus, let me see, 1/4 times 24 on the calculator says 6 plus 16 divided by 2 is 8. This is the least amount of work that you got to show. Then addition and subtraction from left to right as it appears. 6 minus 6 is 0, plus 8 is 8. X is -2, do exactly the same thing here. -3, parenthesis, -2 squared plus 4 all over 4. Then subtract 1. Parentheses, there is nothing to do inside the parentheses, so exponents, -2 squared. -3 times 4, because -2 squared is 4. Have to put it in parentheses into your calculator to get the right answer. That's -1. Now, that I've done parentheses and exponents, I do multiplication and division from left to right. We're going to do the numerator first. -3 times 4 is -12, plus 4 all over 4 minus 1. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8 over 4 minus 1. Negative 8 over 4 is negative 2 minus 1. My final answer is negative 3. If I'm going too fast, make sure you hit pause. Ask me questions in class. If the letter K represents some unknown quantity, explain means in words what we're going to do here. First, I do K minus 7. Some of you said I subtract K from 7. No, you're subtracting 7 from K. So you can also write subtract 7 from K. The from word means write K first. Then divide by 3. Kate says 2x minus 8 should be written as twice a number decreased by 8. Well, that looks right. Twice means times 2, a number decreased by 8. Tom says it should be 8 less than double a number. Well, double a number is 2x. 8 less than this, 8 less than that means minus 8. So they're both correct. Why? Justify my answer. Lots of right answers. 2 less than my age means do 50, my age, minus 2. I know that 2 less than my age is 48 years. It's not 2 minus 50, negative 48. Negative 48 wasn't my age 2 years ago. That's a justification. Some of you wrote very good justifications. Some of you said that it's exactly the same thing, just a different verbiage. That wasn't exactly your words, but they were very nice. This is the end of the test corrections. Make sure you get them signed. See you later.